In this new video in the fashion series, I wanted to unbox with you guys a few things I just got lately. The first brand I wanted to talk to you about was Joyas. Now, we started our first collaboration, our first collection with Joyas, I think 1 year ago. Yeah, about 1 year ago. And right now, I think we have maybe the third or the fourth product launch after the main collection that we've launched. Actually, the very first item I wanted to start with after the collection was this pair of burgundy croc leather boots in patent leather. Of course, like with all businesses and all things we create, you just feel like you can't find them anywhere else. I was in this project looking for some outfits, trying to find these boots that would match a lot of fall winter outfits, and I just couldn't find them. I just wanted to have like a deep brown, chocolate brown or whiskey brown, or maybe a burgundy pair of boots. I couldn't find them anywhere in the stores, so I said, you know what, we need to make them ourselves. So that's how the must-have boots from our collaboration with Joyas were born. Wanted to make a pair of boots that would be perfect for fall and perfect for everyday basis. You can wear them. They have quite a chunky but small heel, so they are just super comfortable to wear. So that's something I think it's really important when it comes to shoes. If they're not comfortable, we all know that heels are not made to be comfortable, but still, we try our best. So since summer 2020 is approaching, and hopefully we will be able to get out of our houses and just enjoy summer at the seaside, at the pool, at the lake, wherever we want to be, we just launched 2 new products with summer in mind. The new products are, first of all, the Mykonos Sandals, which is one of our best sellers from the collection. Now in black and gold. We had them on white and off-white with silver last summer, and now they're black and gold. They're so amazing, and they are the most comfortable sandals ever. Trust me. And to continue, of course, I wanted to make, because I had this vision of a different color version of the sliders, the airplane mode sliders, which are just perfect for disconnecting, for holidays, for when you just want to, take some time for yourself and just self-care. Let's say #self-care. And we made them actually in white and gold. Now this is something that really makes you feel luxurious, that you can wear with like jeans or summer dresses, or by the pool, or with your swimwear or stuff like that. So this is something I'm really excited about. So let's just see these new products I'm talking about right now. Now these are the white ones, and here we have the ones in black and gold, the freshly released ones. You can find them both on Joyas, of course. So these are the white and off-white sandals I've been talking about. These are from last summer, and as you can see, I've been wearing them a lot. Here we have the new version in black with gold details all over. Now, as I said before, these are the most comfortable sandals ever, and I really hope you girls will enjoy them and wear them as much as you can this summer. The new sliders, which are also in white and gold. Now maybe you've seen them already on Instagram. Oh, they're so sparkly. Kira Kira works so great on them. And this one, what I have over here, is a gift from our finesse Lavi from Timisoara, and I didn't get to unbox it. Yeah, I mean I did unbox it, but I just wanted to show something really special and very, very nice, something that can add a bit of drama to any look, let's say, because they are actually embroidered and they look like they are tattooed when you wear them on hand, so they're going to be pretty cool on some looks. I can bet on that. As a tip and a piece of advice, always wear your rings on top when wearing gloves, but it doesn't apply with this one since we have this intricate pattern over here. It just looks like a tattoo, and I think the best look for these gloves is just to leave them by themselves and just let them be the extraordinary thing they are. Now obviously I do have to cut this tag since they're transparent with this nude tool. How wonderful do they look on hand. I would see them worn with like a new dress or a little black dress, just to add a bit of drama and an unexpected pop-off textures, let's say, because that's what these are. Also, something else I wanted to talk to you about and unbox with you today is a package I have from Manuri. Now we are working on a new contest, new giveaway on Instagram this time with Vanity For You. They just launched this beautiful 2020 collection and they were nice enough to send me some of their t-shirts, and I can't wait to unbox them with you. I haven't seen them yet, so let's do this together. Now here is the package from Manuri. Have over here, these are two t-shirts I've been talking about. Now the first thing you're going to notice in the new collection are the oversized padded shoulders and everything. I think this is a detail you might have noticed if you're doing a bit of catwalk research at Balmain and of course Versace. And this kind of a t-shirt is going to look super good the way they just styled it in the campaign, with a pair of like a high-waisted trouser or high-waisted jeans, let's say. So you're just going to wrinkle it around here, the waistline. This is something like a silhouette I really enjoy wearing. Then we have the black version with a non-padded shoulder, so it's just like a simple one but with the same cut. We have the same version without the padded shoulders, printed with Cinema Paradiso in black and in white. And in the end we have two more padded shoulders versions, so color versions, and this one is a blue one. Of course you do have to have an impeccable arm shape for this one, so make sure you work out your arms. And here we have the same one but this time in black, and I took the time to just wrap them a bit over here like you would be wearing something in the waist. Now, when we have like padded shoulders or any kind of an oversized item over here, we're just going to try to have like a super small waist. So maybe just if you're not using like a high waist trouser, maybe use a belt or something like that to just get a focal point on your waistline. Let me know which one is your favorite t-shirt, padded, non-padded, and which is your favorite color / print. As I already told you in the beginning of the video, we are prepping a super cool contest / giveaway with Manuri for you guys, so make sure you check out our Instagram and sign up over there. See you soon.